Pigeons out, filth gone. HVAC system saved in Regina, Saskatchewan care home. Protecting our seniors starts above the ceiling. Clean HVAC system. From Pigeons netting to protected HVAC, real results. Bird netting installed, HVAC protected. Regina, Saskatchewan care home secured. No birds, no mess, just clean air in Regina care homes. Professional bird control solution installed. Targeted protection for HVAC systems. Eliminating contamination risks. Clean, secure, and compliant. Preventing costly future damage. Reliable system protection in place. Trusted service, proven results. No more pigeon mess. Bird netting solved it. Measuring right, cutting tight, built to last, winter ready, precision first, installation next, durable mesh, long-term protection. No guesswork, exact fit, coated wire, made for harsh conditions. Prep work matters, results follow, strong netting, stronger protection. Measure twice, cut once, durable netting, zero shortcuts. From plan to install, we do it right. Built tough, built to last. Cold weather, no problem. Proper prep, perfect install. When storms attack, our netting holds the line. Built to last, wind can roar, snow can fall. Our bird netting stays locked in. Regina storms are tough, our bird netting is tougher. Not all netting survives storms, ours does, every time. Storms come and go. Our bird netting stays solid protection. Before install, pure chaos. After install, full control. Results speak. Winter install, spring proof. Still solid. Built tough. Storms tested. Netting passed. Pigeons out. HVAC safe. Zero mess. No gaps. No entry. Problem solved. From infestation to protection, clean wins. Durable install, zero sag, zero compromise. Strong netting, smart install, lasting results. No droppings, no damage, just clean air. Call us now at 306-535-4450 or email nickcruz@rsccleaning.com. Can you kindly like, share, and follow? Big thanks in advance, and thanks for watching.